Hi, my name is Brian. I'm a web and graphics specialist, and today I'm going to show you how to create cursor codes using CSS. So right now I have opened up an HTML document using Firefox. My HTML document is in a text edit file that I have set to plain text right over here, and I also have an external style sheet, style.css down here, which is linked in the header of my HTML file. Okay, so I have a div in this file called myDiv. It has a class of myDiv. And as you can see in my CSS file, I have declared the rules here that will give it a border, black border of 1 pixel, a width of 100 pixels, and a height of 400 pixels. So let's say my div, right now when I hover over it, it's just the standard cursor of an arrow. Let's say I want to change that to something else to indicate what might be in that div. So maybe a question mark if it's a help box, or a pointer if it's a link. So in order to do that, I'm going to have to add another CSS rule to this div using a pseudo class. So first I'm going to write out this rule, period, myDiv. Remember, when you're using classes, you have to start with a period. And then I'm going to add a pseudo class of hover. In order to add a pseudo class, you just do a colon, no spaces, just a colon, and then the pseudo class I'm using is hover, so I'm typing hover, open the brackets for the rule. And now to change the cursor, I'm going to declare the rule cursor, and then I can change this to many different options, one of which could be pointer. And then I'll save that. And now when I refresh my HTML document, when I hover over this div, it's now pointer, which is generally used to indicate links. Now there's other options that you can use for your cursor. All those are listed out on the W3 Schools website. But that's pretty much it. That is how you change your cursor in CSS. My name is Brian, and thanks for watching.